Hello, today I am back at the Racecourse ground in Wrexham to give you an update on what's going on down here. The work for the redevelopment of the cop stand starts on the 1st of June, which is next week. There's a big concert going on tomorrow with the Kings of Leon, so we've come down to have a little look at what's going on. Don't forget, if you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment in the comment section below, and like and share the video. So let's get a look and see how the pitch has been transformed into a concert environment. So it looks a bit different to a match day. You'll see it a lot better when we are up in the air. We have been up in the air this afternoon, and this floodlight here still hasn't been replaced. Not sure why. I'm going to get that over. I'm not sure why it hasn't been replaced, but the other three are in. You'll see that in the video, but that's how it's looking. So from the 1st of June we will be here on a regular basis giving you updates on how the stand is progressing with the new build. So we're going to get up in the air and take a look at what it looks like. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you very soon. So since we've recorded this video, I've received some information from the girl who owns the burger van in the car park outside Wrexham Football Club by the Turf Pub. So they have informed me that they own the car park and did not give Wrexham permission to dig their car park up to take down the floodlight before the Kings of Leon concert, which is the 27th and 28th of May, which is this weekend. So after this weekend, then the car park will go closed and they'll replace that old floodlight. I was just thinking it looks a bit different to a match day, but while we were videoing and I had a little walk around, there was plenty of people about, a lot of tourists about. I'm guessing they're all here for the concert over the weekend, so it should be a good time and a good vibe for Wrexham as a whole. As I did mention in the intro to the video, from the 1st of June we will be doing regular updates on how the new cop stand is being redeveloped, and we will be bringing them to you maybe around every 10 days or something like that. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for them updates. They will be coming at you from June onwards. Thanks for watching our video. Take care. We will see you very soon.